Hello, friends. Welcome back to Word Search World, where learning English is always fun, educational, and full of exciting challenges. Today's puzzle takes us into the world of the kitchen, cooking, and everyday objects we use to prepare delicious meals. The kitchen is one of the most important places in a home. It is where families cook, eat together, and create special moments every day. In this fun word search, you will discover common kitchen words while improving your English vocabulary. Get ready for an entertaining kitchen word search challenge. Remember that the words can be hidden across, down, diagonally, or even backwards, so keep your eyes open and search carefully to find them all. Let's discover the kitchen words hidden in today's puzzle. Kitchen is the place where food is prepared and cooked. Fork is a utensil used to pick up and eat food. Plate is the flat dish where food is served. Spoon is a utensil used for eating soup, cereal, or other foods. Knife is a tool used for cutting food and ingredients. Cup is a small container used for drinking liquids. Bottle is a container used to hold water, juice, or other drinks. Fridge is the appliance used to keep food and drinks cold and fresh. Pan is a cooking tool used to fry or cook food on the stove. Oven is the appliance used for baking and cooking food with heat. The kitchen is a place full of activity, creativity, and delicious food. Learning these words can help you talk about cooking, meals, and everyday life in English. Now it's your turn. Can you find all these kitchen words hidden in the puzzle? Look carefully because some words may be easy to find, while others could be hiding in difficult places. Stay focused, take your time, and enjoy this fun learning challenge. Word searches are a wonderful way to improve vocabulary, develop concentration, and learn English in an entertaining way. If you enjoyed this kitchen word search, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you never miss another exciting puzzle. More fun themes are coming soon, including animals, space, school, sports, holidays, music, superheroes, and many more. Thank you for watching and learning with us today. Keep searching, keep learning, and keep having fun every day. See you next time in another exciting word search world adventure.